Imagine walking into your dream home, every corner reflecting your vision. But how do you get there without the stress and chaos? Stay tuned to find out. First, define your goals and budget. Are you looking to increase your home's value, add space, or simply update its style? Knowing this will guide every decision. Next, dive into the fun part. Research and gather inspiration. Explore home improvement websites, magazines, and social media to create a collection of ideas that excite you. Hiring the right professionals is crucial. Look for experienced contractors with strong reputations. Meet several, get estimates, and ensure you feel comfortable with them. Develop a detailed plan and timeline with your contractor. Finalize decisions on design, materials, and layout. Remember, flexibility is key as delays can happen. Prepare for construction by clearing out furniture and personal items. Designate a comfortable living space if you're staying in the home during the remodel. Stay involved throughout the process. Regular check-ins with your contractor ensure everything is on track and any issues are promptly addressed. As the remodel nears completion, schedule a final walkthrough. Inspect the work thoroughly to ensure everything meets your satisfaction before signing off. Enjoy your dream home. A successful remodel transforms your living space and improves your quality of life. Ready to start your remodeling journey? At MRM Construction Services, we turn visions into reality. Contact us today and let's build your dream home together.